Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to explain a very common challenge in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central when dealing with sales returns for BOM or assembly items, and how I solved it using a custom extension. Let's start with how standard Business Central works. When a customer returns a finished or assembled item, Business Central allows you to post a sales credit memo. Once this is posted, the returned item goes back into inventory as a parent item. However, the system does not automatically break this item back into its BOM or assembly components. That means the components remain unavailable in stock unless the user manually creates a disassembly order. This manual process is risky and time-consuming. Users have to identify which items were assemblies, create disassembly orders manually, set quantities correctly, handle tracking if applicable, and then post the order. In real operations, this often leads to mistakes, missed disassembly, or inaccurate inventory. That's exactly the problem this extension solves. My extension listens to the moment when a sales credit memo is posted. It automatically checks the credit memo lines and identifies whether the returned item is a BOM or assembly parent item. If it is, the system automatically creates a disassembly order linked directly to the posted credit memo. The key point here is that the disassembly order is created but not posted automatically. This follows the same control principles as standard Business Central. Users can open the credit memo and immediately see a fact box showing the related disassembly orders, and they also get a View Disassembly Order action. This allows users to review quantities, assign lot or serial numbers if required, validate locations, and then post the disassembly safely. The extension also respects configuration settings. Auto disassembly can be enabled or disabled. Posting can be controlled, and tracked items are handled carefully to avoid posting errors. In short, the extension removes manual work, reduces errors, and keeps inventory accurate, while still respecting Business Central's standard controls and best practices. In my next video, I will show this working practically in Business Central, step by step, from posting the sales credit memo to reviewing and posting the disassembly order. If you found this useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you face similar challenges with BOM returns. In the next video, I will show the followings: post sales credit memo, show returned BOM item, auto-created disassembly order, fact box, link from credit memo, review plus post disassembly, stock changes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.